Okay, question number 9. When the function g of x equals 5x when x is less than or equal to 3, or g of x equals x squared plus 4 when x is greater than 3, is graphed correctly, how should the points be drawn on the graph for an x value of 3? So the first thing we want to do is put 3 into each of these functions for x. So the first function, g of x, when x is 3. We substitute in 3 everywhere we see an x. So 5 times 3 is 15. So the coordinates of that point is 3, 15. Now we're going to do the second part of the function, x squared plus 4, and we're going to put that 3 in. So x equals 3 again, but this time we're going to say x squared plus 4 is going to be 3 squared plus 4, and we get 13. So that's the point 3, 13. So they're saying what happens to these points. So if we look at all our answers, they're all written in terms of open and closed circles. So notice our first function, 5x, x is less than or equal to 3. So when I put x into this function, I have a closed circle because that's a point on my graph. Now, when I come down here and put 3 into this function, this does not have an equal sign. So that means that we have an open circle at this point on the graph. And unfortunately, using the graphing calculator, we can actually put these values in for x in our calculator. That's really easy, but it's not going to show us which circles are open and closed. So we need to know the line means an equal sign, and that's where we get the closed circle. No line under an inequality means that's an open circle, and then we just address which answer says what. Now, they're never going to have both open and both closed, so 1 and 2 are distractors. So once we compare 3 and 4, notice that 3 says that the open circle is at the point 315. The point 315 has the line for our equal sign. We know that's our closed circle, and that's why answer 3 is incorrect. And therefore, choice number 4 is definitely the answer to question number 9.